Bonus point was amazing. So on behalf of the entire team, we would really like to thank its owner, Mr. Arun Raj. Yeah, it was very interesting to be there as well. So yeah, Madurai has got a lot of foods that you can actually go out there and enjoy. Yeah, we were speaking about curry dosa in the morning. And this is Vishwas 11 running and touch. He's got Sonu Rati. Yeah, we were talking about them against the left raider and the left corner. Yeah, Vishwas 11 has got one up against his opponent on that left corner. Amsavalli Hotel in Mudalali. Arundrajaya அவர்களுக்கு மிக்க நன்றி. அருமையா இருந்துச்சு உங்களுடைய உபசரிப்பு. And also that supervisor there was interesting. Oh, running and touch with Ankit Chawar now. He gets the right corner now. That's very nice. Damodaran Ravikumar tries to go back on the bench. That supervisor Navneet turns out to be a kabaddi player. His name is Ardu, and he was a local district champion. He was a kabaddi player himself. So kabaddi is in all the bloods and veins here in Madurai.
जी हाँ बिल्कुल, मदुरई का एक प्यारा सा शहर तमिलनाडु में और मदुरई जाना जाता है टेम्पल सिटी भी। और यहाँ पर देखिए विश्वा पूरे फोर्स के साथ मध्य रेखा की तरफ जा रहे थे, लेकिन जो ब्लॉक आया उसके पास विश्वा का जवाब नहीं था। बोनस एक और दूसरी तरफ डिफेंस में भी एक, यानी कि दोनों को एक पॉइंट मिला है यहाँ पर।
Yeah, totally. Bonus, yes, it was nice, but the dash was even better. Vishwas 11 could not stop it. This is, I think, being the trend for the Palni Tuskers. They don't start off in a very extravagant fashion. They start slow, even behind their opponent, like this. See, once again, Ajay Mutaya, he's got those errors. Wants to ankle hold the raider from Karur being in Madurai. But look at this. Yeah, Sarnidharan Kandasamy gets what Vishwas 11 was actually being planned to do it for. Sonu Rati, wow. Navneet, this is what I was discussing in the pre-show as well. Left raiders, left corner, watch out. The right corner comes across against you.
और आपने लंच की बात की अंसावली में, क्या वहाँ पर आप करी डोसा की भी चर्चा कर रहे थे? करी डोसा वहाँ मिलता है क्या?
Unfortunately, Navneet, that is the only way that is not available there, because generally, you know what, dosa, curry dosa is dosa generally is not an afternoon lunch. So generally it is available in the evenings and in the mornings. So, but apart from curry dosa, I'll tell you one more lovely a lovely drink, okay? It's called Jigar Thanda. Jigar Thanda, that's what we call. After you just eaten a lovely heavy lunch, if you want to cool yourself down, that's a mix of ice cream, fruits, a nice lovely milk, thick milk, Jigar Thanda. The reason why it is called is because it keeps your Jigar Thanda. That's why it's called Jigar Thanda. Actually. This is a Thanda effort actually there from Shaktivel Tangavelu. He should have waited for the super tackle opportunity.
1 point Murtal Magnet, jersey number 2 out.
Was it no connection?
बिल्कुल। और जिगर ठंडा की आपने बात की, मुझे नाम ठीक से याद नहीं आ रहा है, पर जामा मस्जिद दिल्ली में सामने में एक दिल बहार शरबत, इस तरीके का कोई शरबत है जो कि दूध में रोज मिल्क के साथ जो रूह अफ़ज़ा रहता है उसको मिला करके बर्फ के साथ दिया जाता है। वो भी कुछ उसी तरीके का नाम हुआ जैसे आपने जिगर ठंडा बोला।
लेकिन इलेवर्सन का जिगर अभी ठंडा हुआ होगा with that Sidhu Sigana store touch, because they needed men to be revived, and yes, they've revived defender who's come in. That's nice to see. Arun Kumar Arumaga back there in that left corner, and in the right he has Damodaran Ravikumar. Rohit Rati should come back intelligently. Running hand touch, he attempts. Yeah, comes back. The only raider on the mat as of now for the Palani Tuskers is Sidhu Sigana, the Kuti Jet. A smaller version, of course, of Jet Pasupati, and people wondering who Jet Pasupati is for new people who've joined us, because it's also live on TV Sports along with Fancourt. We had an amazing speedy raider in the previous edition of Mysuru. There, he almost looked like a jet pump. He used to run like a jet. His name is Pasupati. And he's always called as Jet Pasupati, and Sidhu Sigana is half of it, at least in the height. But he's got the same speed though.
और यहाँ पर वीरा सुपर टैकल का मौका अंकित सहरवा
along with the whole team helping him, keeping down. Yeah, Navneet, Murtal Magnets are looking like they will stop the defending champions once.
बिल्कुल मुर्तल मैग्नेट एक सुलझी हुई टीम की तरह खेल रही है, एक बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग यूनिट की तरह खेल रही है, और फिर से एक बार ऑल आउट होने के बाद पलनी टस्कर्स को एक बार फिर से शिकार बनाया 12 और 6 का, और अंकित सहरवाल लगातार अपने प्रदर्शन में वृद्धि लाते हुए, और दूसरी तरफ